The DJI Avata 360 is not just another leaked drone making the rounds online. It feels like the beginning of a completely new chapter for FPV flying. From the very first whispers and leaked images, it's clear that DJI is aiming much higher this time. Instead of refining an existing idea, the company appears to be blending two powerful creative worlds into one: immersive FPV flight and full 360-degree video capture. That combination alone is enough to get creators, filmmakers, and drone enthusiasts seriously excited. What makes the Avata 360 especially interesting is how confident and refined it already looks, even at the leak stage. The compact, duct design suggests DJI is staying true to the Avata philosophy of safe, controlled cinematic flying, while quietly adding technology that could completely change how aerial footage is captured. Early confusion around leaked prototypes only added fuel to the hype, but as more details emerged, one thing became clear: this drone isn't just an Avata refresh. It's DJI experimenting with a bold new vision for FPV storytelling in 2026. At the core of the DJI Avata 360 is its most impressive and conversation-starting feature: a fully integrated 360-degree camera system. Unlike traditional FPV drones that demand perfect framing in real time, the Avata 360 allows creators to capture everything around the drone and worry about composition later. This fundamentally changes how FPV footage is created. Pilots can focus on smooth flight paths, dramatic movement, and creative lines rather than constantly adjusting the camera angle mid-flight. For cinematic creators, this opens the door to far more experimental and ambitious shots. The quality of the 360-degree footage is expected to be a major highlight. Leaks suggest crisp detail, strong dynamic range, and excellent stabilization, even during fast maneuvers like dives, flips, and sharp turns. Whether flying through dense forests, narrow indoor spaces, or wide-open landscapes, the footage remains smooth and immersive. This level of consistency is especially valuable for creators who shoot action content, travel sequences, or high-energy FPV runs where repeating a shot is not always possible. One of the most clever design elements revealed so far is DJI's approach to hiding and protecting the 360 camera. According to leaks, the Avata 360 uses a rotating gimbal system that flips the lower lens upward when it's not actively exposed. This not only protects the lens during landings and aggressive flying, but also explains why early leak images failed to show a visible 360 camera setup. It's a smart engineering solution that balances durability with advanced imaging, and it shows DJI's experience in designing creator-focused hardware. Flight performance is another area where the Avata 360 is expected to deliver. Early reports point toward responsive controls, strong wind resistance, and impressive overall stability. The drone maintains the familiar duct design of the Avata lineup, which adds confidence during close-range flying and indoor shots. When paired with DJI's motion controller and FPV goggles, the experience feels immersive, intuitive, and accessible. Even pilots with minimal FPV experience can quickly get comfortable, while experienced users still have enough power and responsiveness to push the drone to its limits. Safety is clearly a major focus with the Avata 360. The built-in propeller guards reduce the risk of damage during tight flights, while intelligent flight features and sensors provide an extra layer of reassurance. This makes the drone especially appealing for creators who want cinematic FPV footage without constantly worrying about crashes or complex manual tuning. It's a drone designed to lower the barrier to entry while still delivering professional-grade results. Leaked promotional images also suggest that DJI is positioning the Avata 360 as a polished, ready-to-use creative tool rather than a niche FPV experiment. The official name Avata 360 appearing in these images signals confidence in the concept and hints that the product is further along in development than many expected. Overall, this hybrid FPV and 360 camera approach feels practical, innovative, and perfectly aligned with modern content creation trends. The DJI Avata 360 looks far more ambitious than a typical drone update. By merging immersive FPV flight with full 360-degree capture, DJI is giving creators a powerful new way to tell stories from the air. If the leaks are accurate, this drone could redefine how cinematic FPV content is created in 2026, especially for YouTubers and filmmakers who want standout visuals without the complexity of custom FPV builds. From its smart camera protection system to its stable, beginner-friendly flight characteristics, The Avata 360 seems designed to appeal to a wide range of creators. It's fast, smooth, and clearly built with cinematic freedom in mind. As anticipation continues to grow, this could easily become one of DJI's most talked about drones yet. For more exciting drone leaks, honest reviews, and the latest tech updates, make sure to subscribe to Technify. We'll keep bringing you the most interesting upcoming tech worth watching.